The fireworks are coming before Independence Day. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, July the 1st, a new quarter. And of course, here we are rocking and rolling in the markets. And of course, we continue to see the new hits and the new highs keep on coming. But I think yesterday we saw a dramatic move in grains on news at noon Eastern time. And it was like an explosion to the upside. And of course, we'll talk about that in a minute. This update is brought to you by our friends and partners at Family Farms. And of course, they do a great job. We all have the same interest to help our farmers take care of their money while they take care of the farm. And I can't wait for the July event to speak and to hang out with everybody in the Calcutta. So we'll be looking for some fun there. In the meantime, as we said, grains yesterday exploded on news, and corn was up limit and beans were up huge, and wheat. And of course, this morning they are following through a little bit, but they are peggering right at the moment here now. We did reverse soybeans. We're now long, and beans right now are higher by about 7 cents. Corn's up 11. Wheat is up 7. So we'll see what happens there. And in the proteins or the meats, we've got hogs up almost $2. Fat and feeder cattle both marginally unchanged or slightly lower. So you can see some action there. And of course, we do talk about the sauce, which we'll do today at this time as well. And cotton is exploding higher again, up about $1.30. Coffee lower, or long cotton, short coffee, which is lower. We reverse sugar, which is higher. We're short cocoa, which is down, and we are short OJ, which is up. So again, like I said, everything works out as it does as long as you hang in and follow the rules properly. You don't get yourself into issues. You don't get yourself into trouble. You continue to, work the patterns, and you work the price action. Okay. In the meantime, in the equities, the Dow is up about 75. They've been all over the place. It's going to be sloppy. You've got the jobs tomorrow, which, again, into real thin, light volume. The NASDAQ has been up or down 50. It's amazing to watch. It's like watching a slot machine in the real spin. Soybeans. S&P is up 12 points, and the Russell's up 155. So you can see there's just a lot of spinning action all over the place. And of course, we are long everything but the Dow. The dollar is slightly lower. We're still long. Bitcoin is under pressure once again, pushing back around 33,000. Look, at the end of the day, listen, we love the Bitcoin, we love the crypto, but we know it's going to be a while. Then we only put money in that is high risk capital, so to speak. All right. The metals, gold and silver, are both higher. We are short both. And look, the patterns are very clear. They look like garbage. Now they could change. Look, there's no reason to believe that it's going to be permanent. As I like to share with you all the time, I own physical, and I will always own that. I don't sell or trade the physical metal. Okay. And, where am I? I'm lost. Crude oil is popping nicely once again. And look, as we tell you all the time, the markets are the markets, and with OPEC in control, how can you not expect it into a holiday weekend to explode? Copper is lower again. And, we are short. Nat gas is higher. Geez, it's 366. What a joke. Okay. But of course, that ties right into crude oil with the criminals from OPEC and this ridiculous administration with their energy policies. Brutal. Okay. Bonds and notes are lower. You miss one day and you can't even talk. Bonds and notes are lower. All right. And we are long both of those. So, at the end of the day, all right, it's just a question of being prepared and being ready to trade and following the overall price action. In the meantime, remember, we do have the jobs tomorrow. Okay, so it's going to be a big number. And of course, my futures guys will be trading it live. But in the meantime, remember, we've got a couple of brokerage partners. Now, we have many brokers, but we have two that we really prefer in the futures and commodity space. It's the CTG Group or Capital Trading Group. Look, they get great customer service. They handle all of my accounts, okay? They're the only ones authorized to do our letter of direction trading. So what does that tell you? What I think of them? I'm giving them my money as well. And they've got some great managed futures products. So if you want to check them out, just go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, Tradier for equities and options. I mean, what can I tell you? It's $10 a month. I mean, that should all I should have to say. But they also have great customer service. And we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your portfolio if you're using our models. Again, that is not a requirement. You don't have to go to Tradier. But if you'd like to, there is no cost to it. It is part of your membership. And my hedgers, there's a fee for the software because the hedging is a class that you learn and you get to adjust it to yourself. So look, at the end of the day, I mean, how can you pass on $10 a month? And the commodity report written by Andy Hecht, what an unbelievable report. Okay, the smartest guy I know in this industry from a commodity standpoint. Check it out, Technomental at BUBBATrading.com and our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow, right after the jobs number, with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you.